Hey everyone, this is Kevin D. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me on my media channel and spending a few minutes of your time today. And today we're doing not one, but two unboxings. We are doing both of the Avatar Collector's Editions Ultra 4K sets. Now these sets are apparently not that easy to find right now. They've been sold out at a lot of places, and so I feel pretty blessed to have them both, and they're both brand new. And we're going to do each one. Now, the first thing you will notice is that while they do have the Ultra HDs and the Blu-rays and the digital codes, there's no Blu-ray 3D. Personally, I just swapped out the Blu-ray for the Blu-ray 3D, but whatever. They're both 3-disc sets. I like how they have this little shiny gloss. In fact, we'll do one at a time. They have the new Avatar franchise logo, and the A on the side. And then you have this apparent. They have the not rated for. This one has 3 versions of the movie. Just for comparison's sake, this has 1 version of the movie, but that is fine. And this is where all the bonus features from that old Blu-ray collector set came in, plus the 4K edition. And of course, there's a digital code. So let's open it. Let's see what is so special about these sets, aside from how cool they look on the outside. Now, so this one we will start over here. And this is going to have fingerprints all over it in just a few minutes. That's one thing I don't like about these glossy covers, is that their light dims fast once you open them. So we're going to remove that, and that's all very nice, very, very lovely. Let's take this out, and ooh, that's pretty nice. Now, let's see if you open. Oh, they've got a little magnet here. Oh, there's the digital code, so I will move that on the side. Oh, okay, so it doesn't quite do all of it, but that's pretty neat. Turn it around, and yeah, totally like that. Here's the annoying thing, is that the discs are in there, which means you gotta kind of, I understand why they do it this way, but I hate pulling out discs this way. So they actually are completely brand new labels and everything. I thought that they would repeat the old labels or something. They are not doing that. Jeez, I hate this. I hate this. But I do love the designs. All right, so that's the first one. We'll put I can already see the fingerprints all over it. So, all right, time to take a look at this one. So, let's see here. I had a lot of luck on this corner the last time. Let's see if I can't replicate that. All right. Well, that was pretty easy to. Let's see. Is there another code that I need to remove? Just kind of trying to. Oh, this one's actually. No, you can't really see it. That one got stuck in there. So let's look at the back of this. Very nice. Very cool. And then, oh, oops, bumped that. So let's go here. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, that is a very nice picture. And on the other side, the Tyrion and Jake, but they're reversed compared to the last one. So we definitely have some nice. Now the discs, again, oh God, do I hate pulling these discs. You know what? They look pretty similar. We get the idea. So yeah, I'm not gonna. Okay, just for prosperity's sake, just so that we can see, I gotta finish what I started. Obviously, a lot of swimming. I'm gonna have to clean these discs every time I take them out. I hate that. This one's. I think the first one's the worst, and that's the 4K disc. So there we go. Like, in fact, let's just take a quick look. Like, it's already got smudges on this thing, so I mean, cool packaging, but I'm not sure how effective it is for protecting discs. Okay, so let's put this back in, put these here, and there we go. Those are the collector's editions of Avatar and Avatar: The Way of Water on Ultra HD Blu-ray. Do you have these sets? What do you think about them now that you've seen them? Are you going to get them? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. By the way, check out my new podcast, iCritic Live. You can check me out on Spotify, Apple, Google Podcasts, Deezer. I can't speak today. All those things. So if you want to check it out, feel free to do so. Oh, and if you've stayed a little bit longer than usual, I actually do not need these digital codes. I already have digital copies of these movies online. So if you want to take advantage of getting these movies for free, here are the codes. There's the instructions on how to get them. Best of luck. If you get them, let me know in the comments below. And, well, I will see you next time. Bye.